Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sendinblue for marketing automation strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Sendinblue. Press enter to navigate to the Sendinblue homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Sendinblue account. Next, type in your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the blue login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your information. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Sendinblue dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. You are now ready to explore marketing automation options available in Sendinblue. Start by navigating to the Campaigns section for email automation. You can also explore the Automation tab for advanced strategies. Begin creating your first automation workflow. Select from pre-built templates or create your own from scratch. Customize your campaign by adding triggers and actions as needed. Save your progress as you design your strategic marketing process. Once satisfied, proceed to test your automation before launching it. Regularly monitor your results to optimize your marketing strategies. You are now equipped to effectively use Sendinblue for your marketing automation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.